Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you the best cloudflare settings for optimized speed with shared or managed hosting. And it's a free plan, and it will work in new year like 2022, and it's 12/9/2021. But this is very brand new tutorial because cloudflare enabled very new settings for us, and brings many new things for so just I am assuming that you already enabled Cloudflare on your domain, so just head over to speed and now click on optimizations, and now these things should be enabled. Auto minify should be enabled, brevity should be enabled, brevity compression, and early hints. Early hints you can I have a dedicated video and post on this. I will give you a link in the description. It's a brand new technology. And now scroll down, rocket loader. I turn this off because of some conflict, but you can try this. If it's working for you, then you can also try this to improve your paint speed for JavaScripts. So if you're using AMP, then you can also turn on this option. So now this is for speed tab. Now head over to caching, configuration. Now here caching level should be standard, browser cache should be 1 year, crawler hints, that's a brand new thing. I have a dedicated video and post on this, so you can check out also. Always online should be enabled, and it's a very good idea with a cheap shared hosting that always goes offline, but your website won't be offline because of this great technology. So now let's move on to firewall and settings. So here you should select low or medium if you are on a medium site owner, or you don't have much security. You need like e-commerce website or all that, and a security passage should be 1 week. Like if a visitor receive a challenge for your website, then this should be, I think this should be stay for 1 week. Like for some reason people getting challenges and again, and they bounce back from your website, so that's not good. I think it should be for 1 week, that's enough. Browser integrity check should be enabled, privacy pass should be enabled, and all that things. And now you should click on DDoS protection on, and that's it for now. I hope you like that.